Now, speaking of Arvind Kejriwal, he has made foray into politics with the promise of working for the Aam Aadmi. Now, while acting as one, but his electricity consumption in a period of the last 2 years paints a completely different picture. The former Chief Minister and the Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal consumed power worth over 41 lakhs in the period of 2 years, right from October 2022 to October 2024. Now, this has been revealed in an RTI reply that is dated on the 13th of November 2024. Now, this development has now come to light with the consumption of electricity that is now being done, and what this means as far as when it comes to running at least the ACs in the house is concerned non-stop for 2 years. So is this the bill that the Aam Aadmi really gets as far as when it comes to the promises that has now been made? This is the RTI report that has now come to light with the power consumption that has now been done by the former Chief Minister. BJP raising questions over power politics that seems to be peaking in the national capital amid the face-off over Kejriwal's power bill. BJP's fresh dig at Arvind Kejriwal saying that this is nothing but taxpayers' money that has been misused.
दोस्तों, शीश महल के अश्लील खर्च की कहानी तो हम सभी लोगों ने सुनी है, देखी है। हमें पता है कि किस प्रकार से 45 करोड़ रुपया दिल्ली की जनता का उड़ाया गया अरविंद केजरीवाल के द्वारा अपने ऐशो आराम के लिए, और अश्लील खर्च किए गए करोड़ों रुपए के मार्बल, करोड़ों रुपए के पर्दे, लाखों रुपए के टीवी सेट, इंटीरियर्स करोड़ों रुपए के, और टोटो का टॉयलेट लाखों रुपए का। पर अब एक और चौंकाने वाली खबर आरटीआई सामने आई है, और वो आरटीआई दिखाती है कि 2 वर्ष के लिए मुख्यमंत्री निवास में, मतलब 2022 से लेकर 2024 तक, जब अरविंद केजरीवाल शीश महल में रहते थे, तब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल 2 वर्षों के लिए 41,51,340 रुपए था। 41,51,340 रुपीज। और 2 सालों में कितने यूनिट्स कंज्यूम हुए इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के? 5,60,335 यूनिट। वैसे सारे मंत्रियों के इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंजम्पशन और बिल की डिटेल्स है इस आरटीआई में। ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर का बिल 2 साल का 1,91,000 रुपीज था। 13,500 यूनिट कंज्यूम किए थे, ठीक है। पर मुख्यमंत्री निवास शीश महल का, केजरीवाल जहां रहते थे, वहां पर कंजम्पशन 5,60,335 यूनिट 2 वर्षों में। अगर आप उसको डिवाइड कर देंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि दिन के 770 यूनिट्स ऑलमोस्ट यूज हो रहे थे। 770 यूनिट्स। एक आम परिवार जो होता है ना, वो लगभग 250 या 300 यूनिट मैक्सिमम एक महीने में यूज करता है।
Now, as far as the BJP quoting these figures that are only from the official Chief Minister's residence, but what about the other Aam Aadmi Party ministers, as the BJP also seems to be highlighting as they were previously holding positions in the Delhi Sarkar? The RTI reply that also reveals that 7 AAP ministers in a period of 2 years, that is the same from October 2022 to October 2024, consumed power worth over 1.15 crores. RTI activist from Bihar, Kanhaiya Kumar, says that he was stunned with the revelations. Listen in.
In the past 2 years, the expenditure incurred on the electricity bill charges against the official residence of Delhi's Chief Minister amounted to 41 lakh rupees, and he has consumed around 5.5 lakh units of electricity in the past 2 years. The total expenditure incurred on the electricity bill charges against all the Delhi's minister amounted to rupees 1.15 crore in the past 2 years. एक साधारण परिवार में जनरली 200-300 यूनिट बिजली खपत होता है। अब ये कैसे आम आदमी हैं जो एक साल में 2.5 से 3 लाख यूनिट बिजली खपत कर रहे हैं और इनके बिल लाखों में आ रहा है।
So that's the reaction coming from the RTI activists, and also the BJP now hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party and their leaders as well, calling them not so arm or common at all. As far as Arvind Kejriwal, they say, consumed power worth over 41.5 lakh rupees within a period of 2 years from October 22 to October 2024. We'll get you more reactions on that back after a short break.